Most people think of the printing press as a European invention. Johannes Gutenberg, Germany, around 1440. And Gutenberg certainly deserves credit for developing movable type in Europe. But here's what often gets left out of the story. Movable type was actually invented in China about 400 years earlier, during the Song dynasty, by a man named Bai Sheng. Bai Sheng created individual characters out of baked clay that could be rearranged and reused. It was a brilliant concept. But it never took off the way Gutenberg's version did, and the reason is fascinating. It has to do with the languages themselves. Chinese uses thousands of individual characters. Creating a movable typeset for Chinese required an enormous number of pieces, which made the system slow and impractical for mass production. European alphabets, on the other hand, use only a few dozen letters. That made Gutenberg's system far more efficient. So Gutenberg's real contribution wasn't the idea of movable type. It was adapting it to a writing system where it could actually scale. Combined with his development of oil-based ink and a wooden press modeled on wine presses, he created a system that made books affordable for the first time. Within 50 years, millions of books were in circulation across Europe, and the world was never the same.